Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, 27th of October. Time check, 4:10 na, everyone. The the weather is 9 degrees here in UK, everyone. So, um, that is my update for today. Early in the morning, I'm walking along the street like this with this, oh no, nasira yung phone ko. Yung setup kahapon dahil sa pagbibideo at hindi ko ino-off. So, yun lang everyone. Ayusin ko to later. Bye at the moment. Ayan, update ko. Para ako si ayan yung nasa ano, Eskimo. Yan. Ako si Eskimo. So, yun lang everyone. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Breakfast. Everyone. Ayan, everyone. Going home na. Sa Sainsbury. Sa Undas. And then, magluto ako ngayon ng sabaw. Gusto ko ng soup. That's it, everyone. See you later. Gusto kong humigop ng sabaw. Tapos may kanin. Craving ako sa fried chicken. Kaya lang gusto ko ako magluluto. So, maybe on Wednesday, I'm gonna cook fried chicken with crispy and kanin na mainit. That's it at the moment. Start going there. Going home, everyone. So, time check. Gumana ka ng Sainsbury. Is 10:18. That's it. Dahil wala na akong pang yung tableta sa aking ngipin. Okay, that's it everyone. Bye-bye and see you later. See you when I see you. Bye. Update everyone. O, nakita niyo ba? Pinto ako kasi look. It's super windy today. The reason why it's super cold. Look. Yan yung taglagas. Taglagas dito ng mga tao. Ayan, everyone. Ayan. Diba? Tapos maiipon lang sila sa isang part. Pakita ko sa inyo. Isang part. Nakatakot yung hangin ng lakas. As in, mapipilad ka. Yun, no? Yan, ganyan sila. So, ayun. Tag-init tayo. Summer. Dito tayo dumaan sa tabi. Ayan ang aking pabulak-ulak ngayon. At mag-undas na. Grabe, ang lakas oh. O, diba? Parang may bagyo, pero no. Yun lang, everyone. Update. See you and thank you for watching. Bye. God bless. I love you all. Lunch tayo, everyone. Boom. Food of the day. Food day. Lunch tayo, everyone. Meron ako dito. Ubos na ang laman ng ating fridge. Merong ano dito, kuya? Coffee jelly. Time check, everyone. Boom. Yeah. 3:31. At tamad akong bumangon. I'm lazy to stand up in the bed because it's too cold. Look, it's the sky, everyone. So, hallelujah. Ano? Antok pa. See you. Malamig na po talaga dito, everyone. See you later, everyone. Time check, everyone. 15:37. And my first train is here. Guys. Hello, guys, everyone. My favorite seat. Second train. Way out, everyone. Time check, 16:10. Oh, diba ang aga pa? 16:10. So, that's it, everyone. Dito tayo. Way out. Tap the card. In 5 minutes, I am in the right place, everyone.
Ipo inakwan.
There. Update. Going home. 20:02, everyone. No one is here except me. Second train, everyone. Going home, everyone.
Please mind the gap between the platforms.
Ayan, good evening everyone. Time check. 21. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, alis 10 na. Grabe. Grabe, diba? While watching Tanggol. Kain tayo. And then, good night. God bless and I love you all, everyone.